Kim Kardashian's foray into criminal justice reform has evolved from a celebrity sideline to a defining passion, one she's defended with unyielding conviction amid skepticism and spotlight. In a recent episode of The Kardashians, the reality star and aspiring lawyer marked her law school graduation after 6 grueling years, a milestone celebrated not with champagne toasts alone, but with raw dialogues on purpose. As political analyst Van Jones delivered a speech at her party, he quipped about the improbability of publicity stunts enduring such rigor. No one would take 6 years for a stunt. Kim's retort, laced with her signature humor, invoked her sister Kourtney. "I mean, that's not why I'm in it, but you know what I mean." This exchange, light on surface but heavy with intent, crystallized her commitment, a lonely crusade fueled by empathy, not ego. Kardashian's journey began in 2018 with a pivotal White House meeting alongside then-President Trump, advocating for Alice Marie Johnson's clemency. That victory, freeing Johnson after decades for a nonviolent offense, ignited a fire. Undeterred by critics branding it performative, Kim enrolled in a 4-year apprenticeship program under California's unique legal training laws, studying nights away from her scheme's empire and 4 children's bedtime routines. Graduation, shown in tearful montages, wasn't the end. Failing the July bar exam, despite top percentile scores, only sharpened her resolve. "The law school process took a village," she acknowledged, spotlighting Van Jones' early endorsement as the spark that lit her path. Jones' speech painted a vivid portrait of reform's trenches: small grants, bureaucratic delays, and the isolation of fighting systemic inertia. "It's a lonely fight," he said, praising Kim as the biggest star who raised her hand to help, adding wryly that even penguins know the Kardashians. Her response? A heartfelt nod to collaboration, underscoring how celebrity amplifies but doesn't eclipse grassroots work. This episode peeled back the glamour, revealing late-night study sessions amid diaper changes, petitions drafted between fashion shoots. Kim's humor, self-deprecating jabs at her novice status, disarms doubters, humanizing a woman often reduced to tabloid fodder. Her advocacy extends beyond headlines. Through partnerships with #Cut50 and the Time 100, Kim has lobbied for the First Step Act, a bipartisan bill slashing sentences for nonviolent crimes. She's visited prisons, hearing stories that echo her own brushes with the system. Her father's O.J. Simpson defense legacy, a complicated inheritance. "I fight because I've seen the humanity stripped away," she shared in the episode, her voice cracking as she recounted Johnson's release, a grandmother's first hug in decades. Doubting her motives? Kim counters with action: pro bono work, funding for exonerees, calls for decarifying marijuana laws. The bar failure, far from defeat, fuels her. "It lit a fire under me," she told Jones, vowing retakes. Family dynamics add texture. Kris Jenner's pragmatic support contrasts Khloe's cautious encouragement, while Kourtney's jests ground Kim's intensity. Yet it's her children's exposure, age-appropriate talks on fairness, that personalizes the mission. Northwest, her eldest, has joined advocacy events, absorbing lessons in justice. Critics, including ex-husband Kanye West's erratic barbs, test her, but Kim's doubling down manifests in op-eds for outlets like The Washington Post, dissecting racial disparities in sentencing. Broader implications ripple outward. Kardashian's platform, 346 million Instagram followers, democratizes reform, spotlighting cases like Julius Jones' state execution in 2021. She's bridged divides, collaborating with ACLU lawyers and Republican senators, proving influence transcends party. The episode's climax, Jones toasting her as a force multiplier, affirms this: celebrity isn't cure-all but catalyst. In reclaiming her narrative, from sex tape survivor to legal warrior, Kim embodies reinvention. Her support isn't fleeting, it's forged in failure's fire, a testament to persistence. As she eyes private practice, focusing on underserved communities, one truth endures: justice for Kim isn't stunt, it's salvation.